So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher heavy and express 60 light blinking, causes and fix guide. So fix 1 is perform a hard reset. Turn off power by unplugging the dishwasher for flipping the circuit breaker off for 5 to 10 minutes. Restart the dishwasher by restoring power and attempting to run a new cycle. Second fix is check the door latch. A malfunctioning door latch can disrupt the heating circuit and cause indicator light to flash. Inspect for food debris or minerals buildup that may prevent the door from fully locking. Test the door by firmly shutting it until a click is heard to ensure the cycle can begin. Third fix is check the thermistor. Empty the dishwasher completely before starting the clean cycle. Add standard dishwasher detergent to the detergent compartment. Then run a standard hot cycle for effective cleaning. If the error continues, consider that a part may need replacement. Use a multimeter to check the thermostat continually for testing or replacement. Fourth fix is inspect the heating element. Ensure the dishwasher is completely unplugged before doing any internal check. Check the element at the bottom of the tub for any breaks or severe burns. Thanks for watching.